Good morning, friends, and happy Tuesday. Woo! I have been so busy this morning. I've been on the phone with my sister. I uploaded 2 videos. Woo, I've been so busy. I didn't want to do 2 videos, but I just I wanted to get those up. I just wanted to keep the flow going with the Pensacola vlogs. So that's what I did. I got Saturdays up today, and then I did the regular daily vlog yesterday for today as well. They weren't all posted at the same time, but they were close together. It is 9 o'clock in the morning and I am headed out. I have to swap out our propane tanks. Our propane tank for our grill is empty. Oh crap, I forgot to lay out those steaks. Dang it. And then I have to get a new one, and then I am I'm actually going to go do this first because the other propane tank is going to be heavy, and that's, I'm going to grab that on my way home. So anyway, I am going to go wash my car and vacuum it out because I like using the industrial, why are we waiting here? I like to use the industrial vacuums at the car wash because they are their suction is amazing, and they will suck up all of the sand in my car. So I am headed over there to use that really quick. And then it's so funny, I kept thinking, oh my god, I have to have quarters. When do you have to have quarters for these vacuums these days? That was like years ago. Now I just pay for my car wash and the vacuum is free with that. You know, you're paying for it to hold together, so it's not exactly free, but it's free. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And then when I get home, I'm going to strip my bed and change the sheets on my bed because I've kind of neglected that because we've kind of like been home and not home and home and not home. So today I have to strip the sheets off the bed. I'm going to put fresh sheets on the bed, and then do some more laundry and really clean out the suitcase today because I actually just kind of pulling pieces out of the garbage, oh my gosh, out of my suitcase today. So that's what I've kind of been doing yesterday. So I'm gonna finish pulling all of it out. And then I ordered yesterday a new toiletry bag for all of my toiletries for when we travel, because the last couple of times that I've used this one toiletry bag from, I don't know what it's called, something, you know, I had it hanging in the shower and it like flips forward and like all of my stuff like falls out and leans out of my toiletry bag, and it's so annoying. So it like leans forward and all my stuff like falls out. It doesn't like stay in there nice and straight. So I ordered a new one off of the Amazon that looks like it has a higher netting, and it looks like it would keep all of my stuff in there from falling out. I have such a hard time trying to find this stuff. It aggravates me because I want it to be like, you know, right, and it's just not right. So that's annoying to me. So so yeah, I ordered a new one. It should come tomorrow, so that'd be great. And then the rest of the day just kind of cleaning and getting stuff together. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's go wash my car, friends, and vacuum it out. And yeah, let's have a clean car because it's supposed to be like 90s all this week, even though they said it's supposed to rain a little bit, but I could care less about the rain. Well, I don't like it when it rains, but I could care less if it rains after I get my car washed, because I just mainly want to focus on getting my car vacuumed out, but the car wash just kind of comes along with it. I'm rambling, so
you need me, I'm telling you I'm here to stay. But looking at your castle, I'm pretty sure you're safe, but still afraid. I'm walking in your garden, what you're dreaming of, past the copper statues. of everyone you've ever loved. Lower down the bridge and let me in, will you? You'll never get to know me from within, will you? So you've been fighting demons. I promise I will break the spell. You don't need that armor, even though you wear it well.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a clean load of laundry I have to go take and fold up. And that's a clean load that I have to put in the dryer now. So that is what I'm gonna do. Gotta move this aside and put these inside the dryer. Actually, these aren't going in the dryer. These little shirts, these are super darn cute. This is like a red and white gingham, and that's just like a little blue and white striped shirt. So cute. These were at Walmart, and I got them for like $12. I thought they were just super, super cute. And I think this would, you know, both of them would be super cute to wear with white shorts or a white skirt. So these are definitely going to come with me next week on our trip. So I wanted to go ahead and wash those, and I will not dry them. I just kind of hang them dry. But now I've got to put the rest of these clothes in the wash machine. So now that's what I'm gonna do. Alrighty guys, I know I look a little frazzled. Don't be frightened. I've just kind of been cleaning up my stuff in the laundry and doing housework and all that good stuff. So basically what I've done is I've emptied out the big suitcase that we just used to go to Pensacola. So you guys see that there, and I've emptied that out, and I've put stuff in there that we're going to be using for next week's road trip. I have my fan here because I will be bringing that with me as well. I cleaned out this bag right here. I'm going to show you. I cleaned out this bag, which is the bag that I usually house, you know, my toiletries in, my curling iron, my hair dryer, all that stuff in. I usually put it inside of this bag right here, but I'm going to try to make life a lot easier for us for next week since we're going to be gone for so long, and I'm just going to put all of the toiletries and stuff inside of this suitcase. So basically what I did is I put my, this is a Henry Bendel bag that a purse came inside of this. So they just send you these. I love these things. But anyway, I just put my hair dryer in here. That's what I use to haul my hair dryer around everywhere. That's my travel hair dryer. And then this is another Henry Bendel bag. And basically I actually just put my makeup mirror inside of this because it fits perfectly, and I kind of just wanted something to keep it protected. That way I can lay it flat inside of here and it works out perfectly. So then I can actually put things on top of here and I'm not worried about breaking my mirror at all. So basically everything that's going to go in here is toiletry related. Now earlier I had said that I was getting a new toiletry bag and it was coming from Amazon, which is correct. It should be coming in tomorrow. Reason why is because when I hang this up, and I will show you exactly what happens. That's what happens. You guys see how it hangs? All that stuff just kind of hangs out of there, and it falls out while I'm in the shower, and it's just driving me nuts. Now, I love this bag. It's an e-bags. I ordered it a while ago, I believe on Amazon, but the other one that I just ordered has a taller mesh. So I'm hoping that with a taller mesh, it'll hold all my stuff in there that I need. But I'm going to actually be cleaning this out too, because it's like I have a lot of stuff in here that I just don't need, that I just don't use while we're on trip. Like I don't need, you know, this body scrub and that body scrub. I don't need that. I don't need all of them. I'm gonna finish using this one because it's almost gone. So I will bring one extra with us because that's almost gone. This is almost empty. And sometimes Brian actually uses some of these as well if they're just kind of sitting out in the bathroom when we're there. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just kind of cleaning this stuff out. I bought some of these, so I'm going to be putting it on my toothbrush over there. And then obviously I'm going to dig through his bag and put his stuff together as well. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. So I'm just trying to make it easier for our travels for next week, because we are going to be gone for quite some time. You know, we're going to be leaving Friday, and we won't probably be back until the following Saturday or Sunday. It just depends. So it's going to be a long week, so I know I'm going to have a lot of stuff. So yeah, so that's pretty much what I've been doing. So I'm going to go ahead and finish getting this stuff together, and then I'm going to go put that away. And yeah, that's it. And I don't even know what time it is. I think it's after 1. I think it's 1:30. Yeah, it's 1:30. So I'll see you guys. Oh, I want to show you guys this too. Instead of like me bringing all of my makeup brushes with me, you guys, like if you guys know by now, I like the convenience of having just everything that I need in my travel bag and just bring it with me for every single trip that we take. So I picked up these Eco Tools brushes at Walmart. I think it was like $13. And I'm like really happy about it. It's just eye brushes, nothing fancy. But I love to have like just my stuff with me that I need like all the time, instead of having to keep, you know, bringing my brushes with me. So I'll just have some that I use for travel, and that'll be just super nice. But anyway, other than that, I'll check back with you guys a little bit later. Alrighty, so I've gone through Brian's bag. All of this stuff is sitting out. I need to refill up the Q-tips for him. I'm using those little bags that I got from Grove, a collaborative, to put in like his these are eyeglass cleaners, some aspirin, some lip balm, some like toothpick thingies. So that thing comes in really handy for that. This one is a plastic bag just kind of full of some aspirin for him. So that comes in handy for his little bag. And then this is all the stuff that he has in there as well. This just needs to be refilled. It's mouthwash, you know, his acne ointment, whatever, just all the stuff that you need for toiletries. And then I have to fill up mine, which is my Neutrogena face wipes. This is almost an empty bottle of Pepto that we take with us. I just have this sitting out because I know that I have to refill that. This is fine. This just kind of goes in my toiletry bag. All of this stuff is sitting up. I need to finish this, but I want to bring these with me because I really like those. So I'll probably leave this out and not take this, but I'll take that and then all of those. And then we'll just finish this up probably too on our trip. But I just have this, like I said, stuff laying out. This is my face wash, morning scrub, night scrub, my shampoos, which this is about empty. So I know I have those two back there. Then the JJ wash, my little rubber ducky, and then my toothbrushes, my Tom's toothpaste, and then I use the other small Grove little plastic bag to house like our clippers in, some nail files, all that good stuff, because for some reason we always seem to like lose this stuff. So I figure if I just kind of keep it in a designated little pouch, that works. So I'm just going to use this pouch for those things. And then of course all in here are like meds that we use, Advil, more Pepto, you know, my probiotics. I always keep those in here and fill those up. So all that stuff needs to be refilled. So right now I'm just going to keep all of this stuff out until my other toiletry bag comes in tomorrow. Then I can fill it all up. But as of now, it is pretty much done, what I'm going to be, you know, getting together. And of course over there are some shoes and my little travel bag right here that I house our shoes in. So our shoes don't get on our clothes and stuff and get all yuck. So that's just one of those, oh my gosh, what are these things called? I always forget what they're called, like travel pouches or whatever. I know there's a name for them. I can't think of it right now off the top of my head. Oh my goodness. Packing cubes. That's it. Packing cubes. So yeah, I put some of that stuff in packing cubes, my shoes, his shoes, stuff like that, so our shoes don't get our clothes and stuff all yuck. But anyway, other than that, that's about what I've been doing. Ugh, my leg hurts so far. Now I have a whole pile of trash here from cleaning up all that stuff that I have to throw out. So I'm gonna throw this out and then go fold some laundry, and then I'm gonna call it a day. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow at Angie Wonderland. Bye.